The construction of a brand new, multi-million-dollar crew training facility near Sydney headquarters was revealed yesterday. Simulators for crew training on the Project Sunrise nonstop flights to London and New York will be located at the new, as of yet unnamed center. Starting in 2024, the facility will teach up to 4,500 new and existing Qantas and Jetstar pilots and cabin crew members annually. Qantas Group placed an order with Airbus in May for 12 A350-1000 aircraft, as well as a mixture of 40 A321XLR and A220 aircraft. From Australia's east coast, namely Sydney and Melbourne, non-stop flights will be operated to London Heathrow Airport and New York JFK Airport. Up to 8 full-flight simulators from training company CAE will be housed in the center. The new training center in Sydney, according to Qantas Group CEO Alan Joyce, will guarantee that the national carrier's strong training standards are maintained as it introduces a new generation of aircraft types. Sydney will be the launch city for our non-stop flights to London and New York, and will now be the home of pilot training for the A350s, which will operate those flights from 2025. As our international network recovers from the impact of COVID and we grow our fleet, this new training center will give us the simulator capacity to train our new and current pilots. Cabin personnel also utilizes the new center, making pilots not the only ones who benefit. It will contain training facilities, emergency procedure equipment, and a mock-up of an airplane cabin. The Boeing B787, Airbus A330, and Airbus A380 flight simulators will be supported by flight training equipment for the pilots of those aircraft. According to Qantas, full flight simulators will be developed for the Airbus A320, A330, A350, and A380, as well as the Boeing B738 and B787. Senior Qantas and Jetstar training captains will conduct the training, and CAE will be in charge of center management and upkeep. The arrangement allows CAE to use the new center to train pilots from other local carriers. Qantas pilots normally do 4 simulator sessions annually to maintain their certifications, or up to 15 sessions when training for a new aircraft type. Before government roadwork compelled the airline to move these simulators to training facilities in Melbourne and Brisbane, Qantas taught pilots in Sydney for more than 50 years. Due to this, Sydney-based pilots had to fly out of the state for training. However, once the new facility opens in 2024, this will no longer be necessary. The bulk of our crew members live in the 3 eastern states, so having flight training facilities there will significantly reduce costs and increase efficiency. According to Joyce, in addition to Project Sunrise, Qantas is starting a fleet renewal program for its single-aisle aircraft, which will place further demands on its training resources. More than 60 Airbus A320 family planes are in Jetstar's fleet, including the airline's first A321LR, which only just arrived. The addition of Airbus A320 and A220 aircraft to Qantas' fleet of 75 Boeing B7 to 800 seconds will be a significant endeavor, but one that Qantas is more than up to, along with its facilities in Sydney and Melbourne. Qantas also has a flight school in Brisbane and the Qantas Group Pilot Academy in Toowoomba, which is located about 130 kilometers east of Brisbane. The prospects for Qantas and Jetstar pilots and chances for pilot training in Australia appear promising after a terrible few years. Are you excited for this new plan of Qantas? Let us know by leaving a comment. Why not watch our other videos, like the video of Airbus having a football team?